only in a Jeep, folks. Super nice Wrangler. This is a Sport Unlimited. It's got Carfax 20 dealer service records, ice cold air conditioning, automatic transmission, soft top, premium sound, factory trailer tow package. This is a rust-free truck. Runs and drives 110%, fully serviced and safety inspected, and it's ready to go, folks. It's dialed in. The soft top is in really nice shape. Doesn't appear to have ever been smoked in. Good Carfax on it. Auxiliary line in. Ice cold air. Cruise control. Power package with windows locks, tilt, CD. Nice set of alloys, cheap alloys, and look really good on this truck. Stands out great. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this. Starting down payments are about $14.95 on these Jeeps. And this is the right one, folks. It's clean, has no abuse on it, no modifications, dialed in, ready to enjoy. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. DasCleveland.com.